So this is one day on with the chicken and ham pie that I've made. I'd pumped it full of gelatin around the edges. I've already cut it in half and I'm just going to pull it open. Then you can kind of see what it should look like inside. So you can see there the gelatin has run into where the meat has shrunk away. So think that meat was pressed right down inside the pie, so it shrunk by a good 3 to 4 millimeters each side. So all that space has been filled. You can see right down the bottom layer of ham. You've got your chicken, and then we've got the ham and pork mixture, and then the ham and chicken and herb mixture on top. The pastry is very thin, very crumbly. You don't want too much pastry. So that is chicken and ham pie, looking rather nice. That's the small one. The big one I'm saving tomorrow for New Year's Day.